we'll guide you through how to download the MC Command Center for Sims 4. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
This mod gives you a lot of control over your game, from managing households and a lot of settings. So to start, you can go to DeadpoolMCCC.com. I'll put the link in the description, so go ahead and click that. And on the website, click Download MCCC. Scroll down and find the latest release of MCC that matches your game version, or you can update your Sim 4 to the latest version and download the latest MC Command Center. You can click on it to download it and then save it somewhere easy to find, like your downloads folder or desktop. Once the file is downloaded, find the zip file and just download it, right click on it and choose Extract All. And now you have several package files. We can go ahead and install the mods. So first, you can right click on the package file and then hit copy. Next, go to Documents, Electronic Arts, The Sims 4, and then Mods. In this folder, right click and hit paste. There we go, just like that. Now you can open up The Sims 4, and on the main menu, if you install it correctly, you should have this pop-up that you have custom content. You can click OK, and then to make sure it works, the main menu, click this 3 dots and then go to Game Options and then Other. And here, make sure you turn on Enable Custom Content and Mods, and also enable Script Mods Allowed. Click Apply Change, close, and relaunch the game to apply these settings. And there we go, we've installed it. Now to make sure everything's working, let's test it out. You can click on any sim in your household and you'll see a new option called MC Command Center. You can click it and you have many categories. So for example, I want to change my character's age. Go to Sim Commands and then set age and then select the age I want. And there we go, my character will age to